Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's talk about how to delete history on Reddit. If you don't want other people to see your history on your Reddit account, then in this video, let me quickly show you how you can delete it. Now before I move on and show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos. First of all, open up your Reddit app and tap on your profile icon on the top right. From this menu, on the last, you'll see an option of history. Tap on the history option and you'll have a few options of your history. If you tap on the arrow, you can choose from upvote, downvoted or hidden. So pick the history that you want to delete. From here, you can just tap on the three dots that you see on the top right and a clear history option will pop up. Just tap on clear history and all of your history will be deleted, whether it be your recent history or any of these options. So that was a quick video on how to delete history on Reddit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more informative videos. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.